Okay, so there are two options when you're looking to make a website on WordPress. One is WordPress.com and second is WordPress.org. Now, fundamentally, both are the same system. However, there is a slight difference between the two. With .com, you can just select the website domain name and start your website immediately. You don't require to install anything, or you don't require to buy a hosting separately. Okay, it is available for a paid pricing which is there. So there are different plans which they offer. Like if you're looking for a personal website, it will cost around 200 rupees per month, which is billed annually. You can also create a website for free. However, that will not give you a dedicated domain. For example, you can have a website like abc.wordpress.com. However, if you are looking for abc.com, then you will have to either select one of the premium plans. Again, there are different plans for different type of websites. So for personal use, you can go with the first plan. However, you don't have all the features which are there. Okay, the best one if you're looking for an e-commerce website or you're looking to install n number of plugins is the business plan. In the business plan, you get access to all the SEO related plugins as well. Whereas the e-commerce plan is good if you're looking for an e-commerce website. When we look at the plans here, there are a few things which are given in the free plan and in the personal plan. So the first fundamental difference is the storage space. So if you have a big business website, you can either go with a premium one or a business account. So there are various other options which are there. For example, in the free plan, you don't get any of the money making monetization tool. In personal monetization, you just get recurring payments, whereas in the premium plan, you get all of them. However, the SEO tools, which are very important to rank your website high on Google or Bing, are not available unless you go with a business plan. Alternatively, when we go for a WordPress.org, there are no such restrictions. You can use any kind of SEO plugins, even if you have used a basic hosting plan which is there. WordPress also provides this information on their website, wordpress.com/com versus .org. Here they have fundamentally given what is the difference. Okay. Choose WordPress.com for fastest and easiest way to start your website. One advantage of going with WordPress.com is you don't have to worry about the maintenance of hosting or buying of hosting, or let's say if there's some error on your hosting. WordPress.com handles everything for you. Whereas here you will have to rely and partner with one of the hosting companies like Bluehost, DreamHost. Then there are many others like HostGator, Hostinger, and hosting.india.to, and there are many other websites where you can choose the hosting. Ideally, if you have no budget problems, like you can spend around 800 rupees, that comes to around $15 per month. Host WordPress.com is good. However, if you are budget constrained, you can definitely go with .org. Yeah, definitely the hosting will cost you around 2,000 to 3,000 rupees, or around 20 to $30. However, uh, the advantage is that will be the annual fee that you will be paying. We'll talk more about it when we are actually working. In this entire tutorial, we will be focusing on WordPress.org, and I will also show you a bit of WordPress.com. As since the systems are the same, if you can set up your .org, WordPress.org, it is so easy to manage your WordPress.com as well.